Hi, today let's talk about DJI Osmo action camera. I ordered this camera on May 25 at Lazada for 9,200 or about 200 US dollars, and I received this 2 days after, which is May 27, so pretty fast. So this is the actual box that I got from Lazada. As you would notice, it came from the DJI official warehouse store. So at the back, you would see that we are required to take a video while opening the parcel. So maybe it's for the seller's protection to in case if there's any customer complaint. So let's open the box to see what's inside. Oh,
Ba't gamit ka scissor? Nilim sa loob.
so we finally opened the box, and here's the content of the box. By the way, my daughter is here, so apology for whatever noise you may hear. So this is the box. This is what's inside the box, the Osmo action camera. Really neat. It's on.
Ano lang, Papa? Ito ba yung buksan mo? Papa? Ano bukas mo?
This is the Osmo action camera, and it's a refurbished unit.
Dito mo na lang lagay, Papa, o para hindi dirty.
They said that the refurbished unit is still a new one, but it just came from a foreign country. That was like a display unit. So let's see. Let's open this.
Ba't English sabi mo English? Tape balon. Galan mo, Tape balon.
Tape, kasi tape.
Ba't lure ka pa? Lure. So, anong ba mo dito? Anong buksan mo nga?
We're opening this, Kylie.
Ano lang?
Camera.
Instruction beto.
See,
Ano to?
you can see paper.
Ano lang siya ng instruction? Yung sa TV, bilis lang. Madyong magic, danagad.
Agad. Actually, no, TV, no?
Magic lon. Ba't hindi ka lakin?
Hmm?
Ba't charge mo?
Don't touch the camera, Kylie.
Ba't charge mo, Papa? Ba't charge mo? Ba't charge mo habang gamit?
Papa di video. Hmm?
Ano lang, Papa, sa kamay mo, tape?
Hmm.
Ito pa yung bukas mo?
Si Kylie.
Yung buwa mo?
Kylie.
Papa. Pabukas na. Oh! Nahihirap. So, punch your number.
Kylie. Do not touch, huh? Do not touch, huh? While Papa is recording, huh?
Ba't ano ka din marunong English?
Hmm.
Papa,
Yeah, we have finally opened the box. And this is the camera.
bago na camera. Ba't nag-order ka ng camera?
Papa can order camera. This is the camera. And it comes with these accessories.
Ano lang? Ano lang dito? Ganito.
Ini si camera. Anse Papa open. It comes with what's this? Battery. Comes with the battery and container. Comes with USB cord. Comes with a USB cord. What's this? Oh, user manual. So it comes with user manual and several accessories, battery, and USB cord. So this is the bracket.
Paper lang pala ito.
And
Dami
could be pulled down.
Dami palang klangan. Dami palang klangan, Papa.
Dami. And
Close ko na ito, ha?
and let's try opening that. So far I can't open the camera, so I think I may have to charge the battery. But so far these are the accessories. Sorry for for hearing several voices on this video. That's my kid. That's my daughter, basically, Kylie. So the good news is I got the item from Lazada. It seems like they didn't replace the camera with something else like
sabi?
rocks and
Saan ka
software.
sabi?
So I'll make another video to check if the camera really works or not. So far seems good. So that's it. Thank you for your time.